Well, hello, Peter G. Schmidt Eagles. This is Mrs. Reed coming to you from Counselor's Corner. I'm excited to start this year off and introduce you to something that you got in your Eagle Strong Packs. So if you don't remember, I am the school counselor at Peter G. So I've probably been in and out of your classrooms, or you've seen me in the lunchroom or out at recess. Unfortunately, this year to start, I'll have to come to you through video, but that's okay. We can still spend time together, and I'm excited to do that. One of the things I'd like to introduce today would be your Calm kit that you received in your Eagle Strong Pack. So what is a calming kit and what do we use it for? Those are the kind of questions we're going to go over today. If you have been at Peter G before, almost every single one of our teachers has some type of calming area, reset area, corner, or a spot. It's something that we instituted 2 years ago. So what we're doing with this is we are working on our social emotional regulation, meaning sometimes we get really upset, frustrated, tired, and sometimes we don't even know. We just have a bunch of emotions running through our little bodies. So what we found is that if we can take a reset time or a calming time to just kind of get our brain to refocus, it helps us out a lot. So I will say, I even have one at my house, and I have my son who has gone through Peter G and he's now at the middle school. But with the way things are, sometimes we just need a break, and so it allows him to kind of reset his brain when he needs it. Because being on our computers for a long period of time, and especially then having to add school on top of it, sometimes we get a little bit frustrated. So what you're gonna look for is a calming kit, and it has stuff in it, but it's basically, it either has a black zipper, some of them have a different colored zipper, but it's a little kit. In your kit, you received this letter from me, Mrs. Reed. It's really to your parents, and it's kind of explaining to them how to set up your calming area at home. What I would say, the biggest thing is you want to make a place, whether it's in your bedroom, in the kitchen, just somewhere where you feel like it's quiet, I can take a break, I can reset, and you put your kit. You don't need a lot of stuff, really, you just need your kit. If you like, and you have the opportunity, if you want to put your favorite blanket or maybe a pillow or a whole little area, that's perfectly fine. You can do that too. It's really up to you. That's the great thing. So let's go over what's in your kit. If you open it up, one of the things you're going to see is this card. And what this card represents is kind of how you're feeling. So when you go into your calming area, you're going to do a check-in with yourself, and you're going to look and see where you're at. I mean, maybe when you're going in, you're a 6, kind of cloudy, not really sure what's going on, not feeling, just knowing that you need a break. Or, I don't know, maybe you're at a 10. You're like a big, huge whirlwind and everything's crashing around. But you can take a look at that. You can just look at it. You can point. I have a little thing that I clip on mine. You don't have to have this, but I added it so I can kind of see where I'm at. Or if you have a paper clip, that works too. And you can just slide it on there. So you want to check in to see where you're at. And sometimes if you're up really high, maybe you don't check in, you already know you're there. So the second thing is, and this is not in your pack, but if you would like, I usually have a timer of some sort. So, and I set a specific time with my mom or dad or aunt or uncle or whoever's at home with you. Maybe it's brother or sister. And if it's 2 minutes, great, 3 minutes, you put your time on your timer and you set it down. Now, you have a few things in there. One of them, there's multiple breathing cards. You received one of these. So I had quite a few different ones, but I'm just gonna pick this one. It says bunny breathing and s'more breathing. And if you read your card, you can see on there that it'll give you specific directions on how to do the breathing. Doesn't mean you have to use this card, just one of the things we talk about breathing a lot, and it helps you regulate just your body and also reset your brain. So this one, bunny breathing, is pretty simple. You have to pretend that you're a bunny and that you're smelling a flower. Now, when you smell a flower, you breathe in through your nose. And then you breathe out through your mouth. If you want, you picture what kind of flower it is. And maybe you can bring that smell up. Maybe it's one of your favorite smells ever. And you just take that deep breath with your nose. And it naturally calms you and gets you to reset if you want to use that. The other thing you might see is this little star. I had a lot of options to order, but I decided to order everyone a star because our theme for this year is Star Wars. Basically because we're going where we have never been before, right? We're going to this virtual world all online and we're all in it together. So our theme is Star Wars. So this little star, he's not super, what's the word I'm looking for? Soft. This star has a little bit of firmness to it, which is good because this is another one that if you're frustrated or have emotions going on and you're not sure what to do with it, you can take this star and you just squeeze and let go. So when you squeeze for like three seconds. And sometimes if you even take your whole body and squeeze your whole body with it and then let go, it's another way to reset yourself. So I would take my star and this time squeeze your shoulders and your belly, and we're gonna hold our breath and then we'll let go. Ready? 1, 2, squeeze. And you kind of shake yourself out. Now, some people just like to squeeze it because they need to get some of those feelings out. That's fine, you can do that too. Or you can press on it, or you can do your squeeze and hold. You can use that multiple ways. But that's what's in your kit. So your job is to talk to a parent or guardian and find out where you think your calming kit should go. Also, every month, you're gonna get something to put in that calming kit. So we didn't wanna load it up too soon because we're gonna be putting special things in it every month and teaching you how to use them. All right, if you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher. I'm also available through your teacher if you need me to contact you. I look forward to us videoing this year. Even though I may not see you in person right away, it's okay. We can figure it out. Thanks so much. Talk to you all later.